Hi, and welcome to Scaling Tests with Docker. My name is Carlos Kidman, and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. There are two problems that every company faces with testing and development. One, higher level tests like service and UI tests can take a long time to run, especially in sequence. And two, variables outside of a test, like environments or services, can block development in its tracks, or worse, cause errors or failures in our tests that are difficult to debug and triage. This is where Docker and containers come in to save the day. We will be covering things like, what is Docker and how does it solve these problems? How do containers give us better control of these environments and variables? Installing and setting up Docker, containerizing Selenium Grid's hub and browsers, scaling tests with containers, and finally, scaling containers with Docker Swarm. Although I will be using C# with .NET Core in my Selenium examples, Docker is independent of the language and works for Windows, Mac, and Linux. By the end of this course, containers will be your best friend, and you'll be scaling your tests with Docker and Selenium Grid in no time.